I'm Shane Smith from Shane Smith Law, talking about our celebrity crime report. Today we're going to be talking about R. Kelly. We're currently in the middle of a trial going on with R. Kelly. This mostly stems from stuff that happened years and years ago, though. On a separate matter, he was also just recently sentenced to 30 years in jail in June for racketeering and sex trafficking and paying restitution of $100K. So this is the second piece of trouble for R. Kelly here. This one stems from an incident or a relationship that happened several years ago with a young girl. The allegation is that they started their relationship when she was 13, and that continued until she was 24. So for a period of 11 years, supposedly that she was in this relationship. There was a prior trial back in 2008, but the allegation now is that this young woman and her family were threatened and then paid off by R. Kelly or his business manager, which was Daryl McDavid and Milton June Brown. R. Kelly was acquitted back then in 2008. However, things have come up. The young woman involved has said that she's come clean, and she said that there was a relationship. And now they're bringing forth multiple witnesses who testified in the first trial, and they're under immunity grants, basically saying they can't be prosecuted for perjury, and now they're telling a different story. So we really don't know what's going to go on or what's going to happen. We do know that R. Kelly's attorney has asked for a mistrial on 2 occasions, basically saying that the presumption of innocence gone in this case. Both those have been denied, but that's the allegation. On a separate note, we're actually had to use an alternate juror on this case because one juror was dismissed because she was having panic attacks and said that the evidence was too gruesome for her, and she couldn't be a part of it, or she couldn't judge anything or serve her duty as a juror. Now, what all that means, nobody knows. We don't know if she previously had panic attacks, if it was all new and this is the first panic attack, but we're also on an alternate juror basically on this. It's now out with the jury, so we're waiting to find out what happens in this newest update for R. Kelly. So if you're interested, hit like and subscribe down below. We're going to post an update video as soon as we know something.
In pain, call Shane.
980999999. 980999999. Shane Smith Law. In pain, call Shane.